Assalamualaikum. Today, our group we want to present DFN40283 Routing Essential Problem-Based Task. Our class was conducted by Sir Shahrul Nazmi bin Ismail. We were from DDT 4D N1. My group member are Muhammad Syahmi Izzat and Muhammad Saifullah. For this problem-based task introduction, based on problem-based task, as usual, we are given construct an appropriate configuration given. We have 7 tasks to be complete. For task 1, we need to design the additional topology based on current network. Second task is to calculate addressing scheme table. For task 3, we need to configure static addressing on ICT router, and task 4, distribution router and configure static routing for distribution router and ICT router. Besides that, task 5, we apply HSRP protocol to distribution router. For task 6 is configure DHCP server and DHCP relay router. Last, we must make a confirmation by verify the communication among the network and ensure that all hosts able to reach all devices. We are using 3 Cisco 2960 switches for each floor and 2 Cisco 1941 series router to serve network connectivity inside the college. We need to assign floor 1 is for distribution 1, floor 2 is for distribution 2, and floor 3 is for ICT department. Topology design, we add 21941 router and 32960 switch and 4 end device, which is PC. So we use from switch floor 3 divided by R1, R2, and from R1 we use switch floor 1 to communicate with PC1 and PC2, and same as router 2.
Okay, for addressing chain table for ICT, port SE0/0/0, IP address 10.100.100.1, surname mask 255.255.255.0. For port G00, IP address 192.168.1.1, surname mask 255.255.255.0. For port G01, IP address dia 10.10.10.1 dan surname mask dia 255.255.255.0. For ISP, port dia SE0/0/0, IP address dia 10.100.100.2, surname mask dia 255.255.252. For web server interface NAC, IP address 209.165.200.226. For DNS, IP address dia 10.10.10.10. R1 G00, IP address 192.168.2.1. For port G01 dalam router 1, 192.168.1.22. Router 2, IP address 192.168.1.123. Untuk port G01, 192.168.3.1. Untuk switch floor 1, IP address 192.168.2.1. Switch floor 2, 192.168.3.21. Manakala untuk switch floor 3, IP address dia 192.168.1.21. Untuk PC1, PC2, PC3 dan PC4, kami gunakan DHCP. Next. Okay, 4.0 router IP address. Kami show IP interface. Ni untuk ICT punya IP address. G01, 192.160.1.1. Port G01, 10.10.10.1. Next. So IP address for router 1. Ni G00 192.168.2.1. Port G01.192.168.1.22. Untuk router 2, IP address port G00 192.168.2.3. Segala port G01.192.168.3.1. Next.
Okay, 5.0 router static root. So this is static root for ICT router. We can see we show IP root and this output come out like 10.10.10.0/24 is directly connected to gigabyte 1/0/1. So this is 1.1 10.10.10.1/32 is directly connected to gigabyte 0/1, and 10.100.100.0/30 is directly connected to serial 0/0/0. Then 10.100.100.1/32 is directly connected to serial 0/0/0. And we next. This is static root for router 1. R1 router. So we show IP root and this come out from the router and is static root. In gateway of last result is not set bawah ya. Okay. And this is static root for router 2. Then we can see output after we tulis show IP root. Next. Okay, this is HSRP configuration. Router 1, we show standby brief. So we can see router 1 is router active, and we can see priority we set 115, and router 2 is we set to standby router and priority is 100.
So for the DHCP server and DHCP relay configuration, this is show running config for ICT router. We exclude IP address from 192.168.2.1 until .10. Then we also exclude IP address 192.168.3.1 until .10. So IP DHCP pool for PBU LAN 1 and PBU LAN 2.
Okay, for 8.0 verify connectivity. So we ping from PC1 to ICT. So we open command prompt and ping 10.10.10.10.10 and .10 and get a reply from ICT router. So we ping again to, I think bawah tu is ICT router, atas tu adalah DNS server. So bawah tu kami ping 192.168.1.1 and we get reply from router 1, router ICT. So this we ping from PC1 to router 2. We ping 192.168.1.233. And we get reply from the router 2. Okay, lepas tu kita orang ping from PC3 to ICT. Kita orang ping ni adalah IP DNS sebenarnya. So kami ping ke DNS 10.10.10.10 dan dapat reply from the DNS server. Okay, ni kami ping daripada PC3 to router 1. Kita orang ping 192.168.1.22 and dapat reply from the router 1 daripada PC3. Okay, for the conclusion, we as a network administrator at the Education College, we create the static routing network scheme in this college to serve a few employees on its floor and apply the standby router among the distribution routers using the HSRP protocol. We also need to make sure all departments are able to communicate with each other using a router and floor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.